Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 630. The noun phrase today is brain freeze, and we got two meanings and two uses. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. All right, here's the first one. A sudden pain in the head from eating or drinking something cold, especially ice cream. It's also sometimes called a cold stimulus headache. Our second use here could be a failure to remember something with the sense that something is on the tip of your tongue. You're about to get it, but you just can't remember it at that moment. All right, let's continue. Brain freeze could also be called an ice cream headache. The most common reason this occurs is the fast or rapid cooling sets off a reaction in the trigeminal nerve. This causes blood vessels to tighten and constrict and then dilate, which sets off pain receptors. Okay, let's continue. The earliest citing of the term brain freeze, meaning an ice cream headache, dates back to a journal entry on January 31st, 1937, or at least that's the earliest they could find. However, it didn't become more commonly used until the 1960s and was popularized more in the 1990s. Okay. And we got 5 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Brain freeze is a sudden pain in the forehead or temple after consuming something very cold. So it could be something other than ice cream, but it has to be very, very cold. Second one, luckily brain freeze is a temporary pain, especially lasting only a number of seconds or a couple of minutes, probably at the longest. Number 3, I took too large a scoop of ice cream, and when it touched the roof of my mouth, it caused brain freeze. And that's one of the main things. If it hits the upper part of your mouth and sticks there, that's when it's more likely to happen. All right, number 4, well, this is like somebody getting it. They might say, ouch, brain freeze, and they'll probably make some body language like that. And number 5, during an important television interview, she got a case of brain freeze and could not think of the answer. So that's the only example for the second use up here. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.